Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to find and use your Binance deposit address. Open the Binance app and sign in, tap Wallet, then Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency and carefully select the network, like ERC20 or BEP20. Copy the displayed address or scan the QR code, then verify the first and last characters before sending. Always send a small test amount first to confirm the address and network match. When depositing, choose the network that matches the sender to avoid losing funds. If you pick ERC20 but the sender uses BEP20, the deposit may be lost. Look for explicit network labels next to the address and the token name on Binance. If the token supports multiple networks, confirm both sides match exactly. When unsure, do a small test transfer to confirm successful receipt before sending larger amounts. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like for more crypto tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and dependable comfort during long trading sessions. They pair perfectly with late-night transfers and caffeine. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Always verify addresses and enable security features before sending funds. Check the first and last few characters of the copied address against Binance to catch copy malware. Never reveal private keys or seed phrases, and enable 2FA to protect your account. Use withdrawal whitelist and email confirmations for extra safety. If a transfer fails, contact Binance support with transaction details and keep screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.